I'll just re-record this problem because the previous recording, all the nodes was missed in that one. So I'll do it again. So the idea for this one is to count how many subsequences are there in a string. So that will be the first task of this one, to counting. The second will be to try to insert a different letters L, C, or T. So that means the 3 subtasks. So we're gonna count these 3 cases one by one. Actually, we don't need this one, and so how do we count how many subsequences in a string? There's a way we can do the counting of L, then do the counting of LC, then calculate LCT based on that. If we, since we have 2 cases in here, one case is we don't add any letters, or we added a L at the beginning. So this is why we have similar batch of variables here, which is add none and add L, and we can calculate them separately. The first step will be easy. We're just counting L. Then whenever there is a C, the total number of LC will be an increase of number of L, similar to LCT. So whenever there is a T, the total number of the subsequence will increase by LC. This is why we are adding add L, count L, or add none, count L. For T it's easy but similar. Just copy the behavior of C. And for the subtask, this is the subtask 1, which is to add L. This is for the subtask 2, which is to add C, and this is to the subtask number 3 to add T.